There was a spectacular light show in London last Friday, but it wasn't fireworks or Christmas lights, it was hundreds of drones. We take you behind the scenes of the Lights Over London drone show in this week's culture and art segment we call Tapestry.
We are a drone light show company, started out actually as a fireworks company, and the owner saw a drone light show about 3 years ago, which happened to be one that I had worked on, and he said, man, we need to look into this, let's figure it out. And the demand has been so high for drone light shows that it's basically taken over the company. We are doing shows all over the country and some even outside the country, so it's kept us super busy, and in some cases we're doing 40 shows a month. This is our second year at Lights Over London. Last year was our first. We did 100 drones last year, kind of as a proof of concept. Immediately after landing, discussions began on doubling the number of drones and being back the next year. That allows us to be a little more creative with the design work as well, so we can put more detailed images and more fluid animations in the sky. There is a lot that goes into it, starting with just getting up with the client, figuring out what they want to see in the air, what they want their show to be. Once the storyboard goes through, they create the animations to go between each image that you see, design that whole show, and we're able to take that, and as we set up all the drones, get the network put together, get everything set up out in the field, we then make sure that each drone knows where it's supposed to be during the show, how it communicates with all the other drones, and where everything comes together to put on the final product that the crowd thinks is pretty seamless. We've just gone through calibrating the drones, we're laying them out in the grid that they need for takeoff, and then shortly after this, I'll be putting all the path files through and making sure that everything is up to speed and ready for the show tonight. Because there aren't the explosions, it's better around pets and animals and wildlife, younger children, people with autistic issues that can't handle loud sounds, a lot of veterans with PTSD, just that stimulation without the audio component that is causing problems is a big thing. And then we've also seen a lot from the environmental perspective. We're not dropping burning paper out of the sky, we're not leaving a bunch of chemicals behind, we're not leaving a lot of smoke that's blowing off, things like that. The ability to take a random number of points and make them into a shape or a design or a word and then translate it into something else, we call it a dance. Takeoff and landing is my favorite. Watching 200, 500, or 1,000 drones come screaming back in from 400 feet, form up into a perfect grid, and then land together is really pretty spectacular.